Here we have an HP Pavilion model N5295. This is a unit that's being sold for parts or repair. The only thing known to be missing out of this unit is the hard drive. We are including the hard drive caddy. Beyond that, it hasn't really been tested. We're testing it here with our house AC adapter. And let me zoom in on the screen here. As you can see, it seems to have 256 megs of RAM, and it does have an optical drive, but we haven't loaded an operating system or installed a hard drive for that matter. So this one is being sold strictly as is. As you can see, the unit does boot up. So we're giving a DOA warranty on the motherboard only. The LCD is also in perfect shape. There are no stuck pixels or lines to it. So if you have a unit that's got a bad LCD, this is a good LCD to swap it out with. And here we're rebooting the unit. And as you see, it comes up and then should report operating system not found. Again, the unit, the only thing that we know it's missing is the hard drive, and the AC adapter. It does not include an AC adapter. We're testing it here with our house adapter. It's otherwise untested, but if you're handy with a screwdriver, you might be able to get this 100% running system. We're offering it with a low opening bid with no reserve. Any questions, feel free to ask, and be sure to see our other listings. Thank you.